Hi, I'm Meg from Tokyo. In this video, I will share with you 5 areas in Tokyo where you should stay, areas you should avoid, and important information you need to know when staying in Tokyo.
Tokyo is divided into 3 main regions, the 23 wards, the Tama region, and several outlying islands. The 23 wards form the heart of Tokyo, serving as the political, economic, and cultural hub of the city. Many major tourist destinations such as Shinjuku and Shibuya are concentrated in this area. On the other hand, the Tama region has developed as a residential area with good access to the city center, and about 40% of Tokyo's population lives there. Tokyo also includes several outlying islands such as the Izu and Ogasawara Islands. Both are administered by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government but have a distinctive natural environment and culture compared to the mainland. Now, let's take a look at some of the best areas to stay in.
We also offer private tours in Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto, and a small group tour in Tsukiji Outer Market. If you're interested, please contact us through the link below. Alright, then let's go!
Number 5. Ikebukuro. Access from Ikebukuro Station. Ikebukuro is located in Toshima Ward, also known as Toshimaku, Tokyo, and is one of the major downtown areas in the northern-western part of the city. It has developed as a sub-center alongside Shinjuku and Shibuya and serves as a terminal station for many train lines. The area is known for its convenient transportation system, providing easy access not only to major districts in Tokyo but also to the Saitama area. Access to major areas is excellent. Trains reach Shinjuku in about 5 minutes, Shibuya in about 11 minutes, Tokyo Station in about 16 minutes, and Ueno in about 15 minutes. This allows for quick and convenient travel to key stations in central Tokyo. Ikebukuro also serves as a gateway to Saitama Prefecture. This makes travel to neighboring cities smooth and convenient. Express trains reach Kawagoe in about 30 minutes and Omiya, a major Shinkansen hub, in about 25 minutes. Importantly, Kawagoe is a popular tourist destination known for its historical townscape, often called Koedo. Ikebukuro is not just a downtown area but also an important transportation hub connecting Tokyo and Saitama, offering both convenience and a variety of attractions. Features around Ikebukuro Station. Ikebukuro is a lively area with a wide variety of shopping, entertainment, subcultures, and dining options. It is an ideal place for both tourists and shoppers. At the east exit, there's a large commercial complex called Sunshine City, which features an aquarium, an observatory, an anime store, making it a popular tourist destination. On the other hand, the west exit is lined with many casual restaurants offering a relaxed dining experience. The area around the south exit has a relatively calm atmosphere with residential areas and parks spread throughout the neighborhood. Ikebukuro Station is also surrounded by several large shopping facilities, making it a convenient place to shop. Number 4. Ueno. Access from Ueno Station. Ueno Station is located in Taito Ward, Tokyo, and is a major terminal station on the east side of the city. Among nearby tourist destinations, Akihabara, famous for its anime culture, and Asakusa, known for its historical townscape, are especially accessible from Ueno Station. Tokyo Station, the departure point for the Shinkansen to Osaka and Kyoto, is also easy to reach. Akihabara is just 3 minutes from Ueno by train, and Asakusa, also in Taito Ward, is about 5 minutes away. This makes Ueno a convenient place to stay for travelers. Access to other major areas in Tokyo is also excellent. You can reach Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Ikebukuro in about 20 minutes without changing trains. In addition, Narita Airport is only about 40 minutes away via the Keisei Skyliner to Keisei Ueno Station, offering convenient airport access. Furthermore, Ueno Station is an important transport hub with Shinkansen trains traveling to Tohoku and Hakodate in Hokkaido. Features around Ueno Station. Ueno is a cultural area where you can enjoy art, history, tourism, and shopping. Many museums and art galleries are near the station, making it one of Japan's top cultural spots. Ueno Park is near the station and is home to the Tokyo National Museum, the National Museum of Western Art, the Tokyo Metropolitan Art Museum, and other facilities where you can explore world-class art and Japanese history.
Unlike most tourist destinations, this area is especially appealing to those interested in history and art.
Another unique attraction of Ueno is the shopping street called Ameya Yokocho near the station, where you can enjoy a lively market atmosphere. There are also plenty of restaurants, including traditional Japanese-style pubs and ramen shops, where you can enjoy reasonably priced meals. Ekyut Ueno and Ature Ueno, both directly connected to the station, offer souvenirs and fashion goods, making them convenient for shopping and dining in a relaxed setting. Number 3. Tokyo Station. Access from Tokyo Station. Tokyo Station is located in Tokyo's Chiyoda Ward and is a major terminal station at the center of Japan's rail transportation system. The station serves as a departure and arrival point for the Tokaido Shinkansen bullet train, providing excellent access to Osaka, Kyoto, and Nagoya, making it an extremely convenient base for long-distance travel. From Tokyo Station, you can easily access Ginza, a major shopping and entertainment district, Ueno, where you can take the Shinkansen to various destinations, and Akihabara, known as the center of anime culture. Ginza is only a 2-minute train ride from Tokyo Station and just a short 10-minute walk. Ueno and Akihabara can also be reached by train in about 5 minutes each. Furthermore, access to other major areas in Tokyo is excellent, as Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Ikebukuro can be reached in about 20 minutes without transfers. In addition, Narita Airport is only about an hour away via the Narita Express, and Haneda Airport is about 30 minutes away by train and monorail. For those visiting TeamLab planets, a direct bus service runs from Tokyo Station to a stop near the destination, making transportation convenient. Features around Tokyo Station. As a whole, Tokyo Station is the center of business and tourism in Japan, as well as an attractive area for shopping and dining. In particular, the Marunouchi area around the station is lined with skyscrapers, and the Tokyo Station red brick building with its historic architecture is known as a place where Japanese commerce and culture come together. The Marunouchi side of Tokyo Station is a business district with office buildings and luxury hotels such as the Bulgari Hotel. In addition, several commercial complexes including Kitte offer sophisticated fashion and dining options. Furthermore, the red brick station building, the symbol of the Marunouchi side, is illuminated at night and is a popular tourist attraction.
In fact, this area is also a popular spot for pre-wedding shoots and profile photos for matching apps.
On the east side of the station, the Yaesu area extends outward and is known for its more affordable restaurants. Kyobashi Station and Nihonbashi Station are about a 5-minute walk from Yaesu, making them convenient options for accommodation near Tokyo Station. Number 2. Shibuya. Access from Shibuya Station. Shibuya Station is a major terminal station located in Shibuya Ward, Tokyo, and offers excellent access to other areas. From Shibuya, you can travel to Harajuku in about 2 minutes by train, Shinjuku in about 7 minutes, and Roppongi in about 10 minutes. Furthermore, express trains can take you to Yokohama Station in about 30 minutes, providing convenient access to the Kanagawa area. For those traveling to Osaka or Kyoto, Shinagawa Station is a major Shinkansen hub. It is only about 15 minutes away by train without transfers, making Shinkansen connections quick and easy. Shibuya also offers easy access to Narita Airport, which takes about 1 hour by express train, and Haneda Airport, which takes about 30 minutes by train. Features around Shibuya Station. Shibuya Station is the center of Japan's trend and youth culture and an exciting place for shopping and dining. The station area has many new shops and landmarks and is always changing as a center of trends. On the west side of Shibuya Station, tall buildings like Shibuya Scramble Square stand out with offices, shops, and hotels inside. In particular, the observatory Shibuya Sky offers a panoramic view of Tokyo, while the iconic Shibuya Scramble Crossing, located near the Hachiko exit, is a world-famous tourist attraction. The Hachiko statue is also nearby and has long been a popular meeting spot. To the east of the station, Miyashita Park and Shibuya Stream offers a variety of shopping and dining options for young people. Miyashita Park combines a shopping mall and a rooftop park in one open space. Shibuya Stream features cafes and a hotel, creating a relaxed atmosphere. The Shibuya Station area is also within walking distance of fashionable neighborhoods such as Omotesando, making it a convenient spot for shopping and dining. Number 1. Shinjuku. Access from Shinjuku Station. Shinjuku Station is one of the largest terminal stations in Japan, located in Shinjuku Ward, Tokyo, and serves as an excellent base for accessing Tokyo and other parts of Japan. Many train lines pass through the station, making travel quick and easy. You can reach Shibuya and Ikebukuro in about 5 minutes by train. Tokyo Station is about 15 minutes away, providing fast access to major areas in Tokyo. Furthermore, express trains can take you to Yokohama Station in about 30 minutes, making travel to Kanagawa area convenient as well. Another major feature of Shinjuku Station is its convenient access to hot spring resorts. From Basta Shinjuku, a depot for long-distance buses, you can easily travel to Kusatsu Onsen, Ikaho Onsen, and other hot spring resorts in the Gunma area. Shinjuku Station is the departure and arrival point for the limited express romance car. This train provides convenient access to Hakone Onsen, making travel to the hot spring area easy. For those traveling to Osaka or Kyoto, reaching the Shinkansen bullet train is also easy. Tokyo Station, a major Shinkansen hub, is only about 15 minutes away by train without transfers. This location is ideal for traveling to both Narita and Haneda airports. The Narita Express takes about 1 hour to reach Narita Airport. Haneda Airport is about 40 minutes away by train and monorail. Features around Shinjuku Station. The area around Shinjuku Station is known as one of the busiest train stations in the world, combining one of the largest downtown and business districts in Japan. The station area is lined with high-rise buildings and commercial facilities, attracting large crowds day and night. The west exit area features skyscrapers including the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, as well as offices and luxury hotels. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building's observation deck, a 10-minute walk from Shinjuku Station, offers free admission and is a popular tourist spot for panoramic views of Tokyo. The east exit area includes Kabukicho and Shinjuku Sanchome, both lively shopping and entertainment districts. During the day, people visit department stores and shopping malls, while at night, the area comes alive with izakayas and bars. Kabukicho has unique attractions such as the Godzilla head and the 3D cat on the large screen at the east exit of Shinjuku Station. In addition, Shinjuku Golden Eye is lined with small distinctive bars, creating a unique atmosphere. Basta Shinjuku is located on the south side of Shinjuku Station. Within a 10-minute walk from Basta Shinjuku is Shinjuku Garden, a well-known urban oasis. Since it has beautifully maintained Japanese and Western-style gardens, it's a great place to escape the city's hustle and bustle.
The area near Gojira Road at the east exit is tourist-friendly and relatively safe, but it stays busy until late at night. If you're traveling with children, you may want to avoid this area.
Areas to avoid staying in Tokyo. Back alleys of Kabukicho in Shinjuku. The Shinjuku East exit area is convenient because it has many restaurants and bars, allowing you to return to your room immediately after drinking at a bar or izakaya. However, the back alleys of Kabukicho away from the main road have a different atmosphere with many love hotels, making them less suitable for families or women traveling alone. While hotel prices have skyrocketed in recent years due to increased inbound tourism, love hotels are often more affordable. Odaiba. Odaiba is an attractive tourist destination, but it is far from the main tourist areas and somewhat inconvenient, and transfers are often required to get around. First-time visitors to Japan may find the train system confusing. Many luxury hotels are located in Odaiba, making it ideal for those who want to enjoy a relaxing resort atmosphere.
However, many stores close early, so it is not suitable for those who want to visit pubs or bars late at night.
Outside Tokyo 23 wards. Areas outside the 23 wards of Tokyo are not recommended, especially for first-time visitors to Japan. Access to major tourist attractions can be inconvenient, and in some places, travel may take nearly an hour. Kichijoji or like Mitaka are relatively easy to reach, and I like these areas, but they are more suited for those who want to experience everyday life in Japan rather than for tourists.
However, hotels are relatively cheaper, making them a good choice for those who don't mind the travel inconvenience.
Important things to consider when booking a hotel. 1. Understand the location of the hotel. Before you arrive, use Google Maps to check your hotel's location and surroundings. In Google Maps, you can also add the places you want to visit to your favorites to better understand the distance from your hotel. 2. Research travel routes in advance. As I explained in my previous video, Navitime Japan makes it easy to find the best route from your hotel to your destination. For example, if you search for the route from Shinjuku Station to Ueno Station, you will immediately see which train to take. 3. Choose a hotel on a budget.
Hotels near major train stations are convenient but tend to be more expensive.
If you want to keep your budget low, consider staying in an area a few stations away from a major station. For example, if you're in the Tokyo Station area, Hachobori Station is nearby and convenient. It is also known for its easy access to Tokyo Disneyland.
I've listed my recommended hotels in Tokyo on my blog, so you will find the link in the description below. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you at the next video.